You already know what it is, your boy Two Scoops. We got the spot right now, we about to do it big. Here's the situation. We've been doing a chest day and chest day finishers. We've been doing back day finishers, push-ups, pull-ups. What about our legs? What about leg day finishers? How does that look? What does that look like for Mark Spoons? What does that look like for Two Scoops? I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you today. Dial in. Hey, buckle up. All right? We might throw up today. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about here in a second. We're gonna go through what an average 2 scoop leg day looks like, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. We'll see where it takes us. Thanks so much for showing up, showing out. Get stronger every day in advance. It's your boy Two Scoops. Let's get it. All right, I'm gonna roll out a little bit to start because my legs are still sore from Sunday. I do CrossFit on Sundays with my friends. And it's been getting real. Just this past Sunday, we did, let me see if I can remember. The first workout was 3 rounds for time of 20 single unders, that's jump rope. 40 single unders, 20 double unders. 50 V-ups, and then 60 single arm overhead walking lunges with 50 pounds for the guys, 35 pounds for the girls. It was devastating. It took me 25 minutes, 26 minutes even. And then the second workout, that was the first one. Second workout took me 57 minutes. It was 8 rounds for time of, man, I don't even remember. It was 5 different movements. The last movement was a quarter mile run. There was 50 mountain climbers in there. There was 50 jumping lunges in there. There was 8 kettlebell push-ups. There was 5 pull-ups strict. Yeah, and it was 8 rounds of that per time. Took me a while, to say the least. But yeah, we're doing it. We're getting there. Yeah, let's get into it. Leg day warm up. If you guys didn't know, I ruptured my patellar tendon last year. August 17th, 2023, I ruptured my patellar tendon doing stunts on a music video. It was great. I loved it. That's sarcasm if you didn't catch it. I've been working my way back up to heavy leg movements since that injury. It was the most devastating injury I've ever had. I've had a lot of injuries: shoulder, ankle, thumb, neck. We'll get into those later, but today is legs. And yeah, just to context, I ruptured my patellar tendon on my left leg, so a lot of my things are gonna be left leg forward because I need it to catch up to my right leg. So the big thing that I'm constantly working on with my form and my position, my posture, my tempo, that's why I keep saying those things, right? Is because of injury prevention. If you can prevent an injury from happening, sorry, that's loud. If you can prevent an injury from happening, then you won't have to worry so bad about recovering from it. And then, let's say that you do get hurt or injured. Because of your extensive background of injury prevention, that injury can then recover twice as fast. And I think that that is a huge testament to why I'm mostly back in my mind. You know what I mean? Cool. So because we're doing more of a bodybuilding style program, we're thinking more about time and attention, right? It's not all about the reps. It's how long are you holding onto the bar? How long are you keeping your core braced? Because with a back squat, you're loading the spine vertically. So you can put the weight on your back, and yeah, you have to keep some sort of stabilization, but it's not as crazy as a front squat. Front squat, you're constantly bracing your core, keeping your elbows high, engaging your T-spine to maintain the weight. To hold it, you have to squeeze. So that plus squatting, it's hard. Let's run it 185. See? Okay, this is like the grind set. Drop weight. What do you got in the tank right now? And how much in there are you willing to use on a set like this? I'm thinking pistol squats, Bulgarians, and then walking lunges after that. So yeah, let's get it. We gotta remember, my knee. My knee. Bulgarian split squats. Let's see what we got. There it is, Grandpa. I call that mission accomplished, yeah? I'm gonna finish out with walking lunges because this is how you do it. And make sure that you're taking it all the way to that calisthenics movement. I know I didn't add any extra weight on any of my walking or my Bulgarians or any of my pistols, but you get the gist, yeah? You get the idea of where it would go or how it would be and how much pain you're really gonna be in. And, you know, endure. Get better, get stronger. That's the only way it'll happen, is if you take it to that next level every time. So, finish up these walking lunges and then it wouldn't be a 2 scoops video without a little bit of abs. So let's do some abs too. Okay, I don't think we've talked a whole hell of a lot about obliques and side abs. Some aesthetics have just the front pack, right? And a very loose oblique to kind of show a little bit more suction for the ribs. It's not for me. Isolating the side oblique, putting the stretch on where you want it to grow, yeah? Okay. It's your boy. Thanks for showing up, showing out, getting stronger every day. This was a nice little chiller leg day than normal. I didn't throw up, so that's good. But, you know, only you know your level of capability. I went to Disneyland yesterday for Christmas, and I walked, I don't know, so much. So my insides are sore. So my leg day was a little lackluster. But let me tell you, it's not about hitting PRs every time, yeah? It's about showing up. It's about showing out. It's about getting stronger. Whether that's mentally, physically, emotionally, get a little bit stronger, a little bit better than you were the day before, a little bit better than you were yesterday. All right? Love you guys. Don't forget to keep doing this, yeah? And I would love to keep doing this. I'd like to keep doing this full time. The only way to do that is to increase my numbers. So please, if you're watching, subscribe, like, comment, share. Really goes a long way. Join the 2 Scoops troop. Hashtag Mark Spoons. Hashtag 2 Scoops. I'll see it. Or tag me, Mark Spoons, across all social media. And you're automatically part of the troop. Automatic repost on all social media. Anyways, once again, it's your boy, Mark Spoons, aka 2 Scoops. Thanks again. Showing up, showing out, getting stronger every day. See you guys next time. Later.